Welcome back everyone. In this section of the course we are going to build our first Maps application, and you can see here I have some favorites on the left hand side, or in this case I only have one favorite there, which is a predefined favorite, which is Disneyland Paris. And if I just click on it, then I get zoomed in to Disneyland Paris. So this is my favorite place. I can search for a location. As example, let me search for Berlin. And there I am in Berlin somewhere, and I can zoom out if I want to. I can do that with pressing the Alt key, then the second finger appears. And if I just say, right, I enjoyed being at the Berlin Wall Memorial, which was one of my favorite places because of the history and stuff, then I can just press long click here and it will add this location. So there will be a pin added to the app, and I have it here on the left hand side in my favorites. So now I have the Bernauer Straße in Berlin, and if I want to find out where I am, I can just click where am I, and it will find the location where I am. In my example, the hardware or the simulation is set to Apple, so to the Apple headquarters. I can of course also use a custom location. As example here, let's go for 102 in the longitude, and I click where am I again, and I'll end up somewhere in the midst of nowhere probably. So let me zoom out a little bit. And where am I? I'm in near Colorado. So yeah, this is how we can use this application. We can search, we can find out where we are, we have our favorites. We can also, that's something that I want to share or show, we can also see how this application looks in the portrait mode. So this is how it looks on an iPad. If I now swipe it in, I can see my favorites here on the left hand side. I can swipe them in and out as I want. And otherwise I have the full screen for my application. So that's a cool thing about this detail view thing, and we're going to learn how we can use that, and you can then use that for other applications as well, which are not specific to maps or something. So let's go ahead and start with the design for this application in the next video.